Good morning, traders. Just give you a recap on the week. I took two trades earlier in the week, and you can see my screen here. The first one that we took was a PayPal on June 8th. Cash secured put at the $40 strike price out to November. And the reason why I traded this to November are a couple things. I've got a 55 and a 47 here. So this will dollar cost average me down to somewhere around a total of around 47 if I get put this. If not, then the stock's up high enough that I can sell it again in November and also write covered calls on my other two in November as well. So that's why I sold it out to November. It matches my two covered calls. The second is an SMCI cash secured put as well on the 26s. And I did this for November too. And again, I've got some covered calls out in November. So same thing, this will reduce my average. I've got one covered call out in November for 29s. So again, this will reduce the cost basis that I have in this. But you can see the premiums are just fat. This is after commission. So I made $349.45 on SMCI. Annualized, that's a 30% gain. And I made $379.45 on PayPal. Annualized, it's a 21% gain. All right, so great premium. I'm very happy with the stocks. And yeah, that's the week in trading. It's been definitely a softer week than we've had before. Let's go take a look at the community real quick. I want to show you something else. We now have the ability in the community to add our trades to a trade feed and kind of semi-compete with each other. So here's my SMCI, here's my PayPal, and then we've got, let's see, top voted. So one of my other traders is here. That's in the trade room. And then another trader down here. They have a couple in there as well. All right, and let's go back to, I'll show you where we do that at. In the trade journal, you'll see these buttons. Let me bring this down in size just a little bit. You'll see these buttons right here on the right-hand side. This one's to roll a position, and this one's to link as roll from existing trade. So this one is to share to the community. This is the one we hit to force it to share it to the community. That's edit. And this is a duplicate. So you can open up this trade as a duplicate pre-filled in to add your other cash secured puts and covered calls. And then of course, delete. All right. That's it. Come on over, hit that like button, subscribe to us, and we'd love to see you in the trade room. We've got this great community room now. We talk about our trades, and it's free. That's the best part about the whole thing. It is absolutely free to you. Come on in, utilize it, and we'll see you in the trade room.